President George FCC. Reset. This function allows to erase the scan-skip memory or restore all factory settings. Long press the push key to enter the menu. F is displayed. Turn the channel rotary knob or use the up-down keys on the microphone to select the reset menu. Press the push key to enter the menu. The current value blinks on the display. Turn the channel rotary knob or use the up-down keys on the microphone to select AL, all factory settings, or SC, scan skip memory. Short press the push key to confirm your selection. If SC is selected, the radio will restart and the scan skip marker will be removed from any channels that have been tagged. The memory channels, M1, M2, etc., are not affected by the reset. If AL is selected, the unit will restart and be set back to factory defaults. If no key is pressed, the unit exits the menu after 10 seconds. You're all set. Please be sure to check out our other instructional videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications when our new content is added.